Hey boys and girls, it is Mr. McAndrew, and we are going to play Climb to the Top together. Yesterday you played on your own. How did that go? But you know what? I kind of missed doing it, so let's do it together. So you should have this out. It's in your packet under Thursday. Okay, and I'm going to roll the dice, and if I roll a 3, you're going to write a 3. All right, so let's vote. Who thinks that 1 is going to get to the top first? Raise your hand. Okay? Raise your hand if you think 2 is going to get to the top first. Show me 2. Okay, who's voting for 3, 4, and 5? All right, I'm going for 2 this time. I'm voting for 2. I think 2 is going to win this time. 4 let me down last time, so I got to change it up. Okay, are we ready? You should have a pencil or a marker or something to write with. Okay, that's all you need. All right, here we go. All right, 3. We are off with a 3. Okay, so I'm going to start here. I'm going to go like that. Okay. If I'm going too fast, boys and girls, just pause the video and then you can catch up. Okay, as always. All right, here we go. Here we go. What number is that? 1. Uno, numero. All right, so a little up and then down. Okay, there's 1. No 2s yet. Let's go 2s. Here we go. Ah, there we go. A 2. Yes. All right, here we go. I'm a little competitive if you haven't noticed. All right, here we go. We've got a 1, a 2, and a 3. Okay, let's roll the dice. Drum roll, please. Oh, 6 doesn't count. Another 6. Oh my goodness, these 6s sometimes. Oh, another, what is that? How many dots is on there? 3, right? Repeat after me. 3. Okay, let's write a number 3. All right, 0 4s and 0 5s, but we've got 2 3s. All right, let's keep going. Oh, a 1 again. Those 1s are very popular. All right, this time I'm going to write my 1 like this. I'm going to put a little line at the bottom because sometimes people write it like that. It's good to know how they're written in different ways, okay? All right, let's roll again. Ooh, a 5. 5, so we start here, we come across, down, and around. Okay, there's our 5. Okay, let's keep going. Ooh, another, what is that? Another 5. Repeat after me, 5. All right, 5 is making a comeback. Okay, it's a tie between 1, 3, and 5. Number 4, it's got nothing. Good thing I didn't pick 4, huh? Ooh, another 1. All right, this time I'm just going to write a line like this. Sometimes you'll see a 1 that looks just like that. It's like a lowercase L, as in like la la la. Okay, let's keep going. Remember, pause the video if I'm going too fast, okay? Oh, a 6, it doesn't count. Ooh, what does that say? That's another 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. 1 and 5 are in the lead. Come on, 2. Give me 2, give me 2, give me 2, 2, 2. Another 6. I'm telling you, if 6 was in the running here, they'd be winning. Another 6. Another 1. I can't believe this, boys and girls. All right, let's draw another number 1. All right, here we go, here we go, here we go. Give me a 2, give me a 2. A 3. Ah, all right, not bad, not bad. Close. So let's write a number 3. Okay. All right, what do we got next? Oh, another, what is that, boys and girls? You should recognize that real quick. It's called subitizing when you know something real quick. It's 5 again. Oh, man. If I roll another 1 or 5, they're going to be the winner. I need 1, 2, 3. I need 4 more 2s. Come on, 2. I don't think I'm going to win with the 2. Oh, 6. Another 6. Boys and girls, these 6s are out of control. Oh, a 2. Yes, a 2. All right, let's write our 2. Come around and then back. another 2. Give me another 2. What are you rooting for? Are you rooting for a 4? I hope not. There's been no 4s. Can you believe it? Oh, there's a 4. Look at that. Bam. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's write that down. 4. Okay. Come on, 2. Blow on the dice for good luck. What do you think? 3. Ooh, 3. 3 is now tied with 5 and 1. If I roll a 1, 3, or 5, they win. Come on, 2. Come on, 2. It's a 1. Oh my goodness. It wins again. Wow. Oh no, wait. Did one win last time? I think it did, right? Yeah. All right. So it gets another. It's a little spooky, actually. It's another smiley face. All right. Draw a little thing. He's holding up one arm, waving high. All right. So number 1 was the winner again. Yeah, 1 last time, because I remember saying 1. All right, boys and girls. Fun with playing with you as always with Climb to the Top. If you want to play this on your own, you can always just put it in your dry erase sleeve. There's another one for Friday, and then you can just write on it with your dry erase marker. Okay? All right, boys and girls. I'll see you soon. Bye-bye.